Water is essential for all life on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every living thing needs water to survive. We often think of rain as the primary source of water, but what about regions where rain is scarce? In these arid and semi-arid environments, nature provides alternative sources of water like dew and fog. These hidden reserves can be a lifeline for both animals and humans. Imagine a desert landscape where rainfall is infrequent and sparse. The scorching sun beats down on the parched earth, seemingly devoid of any moisture. Yet, even in these harsh conditions, life finds a way. Animals and plants have adapted ingenious methods to collect water from the atmosphere, ensuring their survival in the face of adversity. These adaptations are not only fascinating examples of nature's ingenuity, but also offer valuable lessons for humans. By understanding how animals collect water from dew and fog, we can develop sustainable solutions to address water scarcity in arid regions around the world. As the sun sets and temperatures drop, a magical transformation occurs. The air cools and the invisible water vapor it holds begins to condense. This condensation forms tiny droplets of water on surfaces like leaves, grass, and even spider webs. These glistening beads of water are called dew. Many animals, especially insects and small reptiles, rely on dew as a vital water source. Beetles, for example, have specialized ridges on their backs that channel dewdrops towards their mouths. Some desert lizards have scales that are uniquely shaped to collect and funnel dew towards their mouths, allowing them to drink even from the tiniest droplets. Humans have also learned to collect dew. Simple techniques like spreading out large cloths overnight and collecting the accumulated dew in the morning have been used for centuries. In some regions, more elaborate dew-collecting structures like large conical nets are employed to maximize water harvesting. Fog, often described as a cloud that touches the ground, is another important source of water in certain regions. Coastal deserts and mountainous areas in particular frequently experience fog. This atmospheric phenomenon occurs when warm, moist air moves over cooler surfaces, causing the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets, forming fog. Just like dew, fog can be collected and used as a source of water. Large mesh nets called fog collectors or fog fences are erected in areas with frequent fog. As the fog rolls in and comes into contact with the mesh, the tiny water droplets collect on the surface. These droplets then coalesce into larger drops, which trickle down the net and are collected in troughs or containers placed below. This simple yet effective technology has been successfully implemented in various parts of the world, providing clean and reliable water to communities facing water scarcity. One notable example is the world's largest fog collection project in Mount Boutmezguida, Morocco. This project, supported by the Moroccan government and international organizations, uses a network of fog collectors to supply drinking water to over 14 villages, demonstrating the transformative potential of fog harvesting. Section 4. The Science of Water Collection. The formation of dew and fog and our ability to collect water from them is rooted in the scientific principles of condensation and surface tension. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the air changes into liquid water. This occurs when warm, moist air comes into contact with a cooler surface. The air cools down to a temperature called the dew point, at which point it can no longer hold all of its water vapor. Surface tension is the cohesive force that exists between liquid molecules. This force allows liquids to form droplets and resist external forces. When water vapor condenses on a surface, the water molecules are attracted to each other, forming tiny droplets. The shape and properties of the surface can influence the size and shape of these droplets. In the case of dew, the cool surfaces are natural elements like leaves and grass. For fog collection, we provide artificial surfaces like mesh nets. The design and material of these nets are carefully chosen to maximize water collection. Factors like mesh size, filament type, and the presence of any coatings can affect the efficiency of fog collectors. Section 5. Benefits and Applications. Collecting dew and fog offers a sustainable and environmentally friendly way to supplement water resources, especially in regions facing water scarcity. Unlike traditional methods like drilling wells or building dams, which can have significant environmental impacts, dew and fog collection are passive methods that require minimal energy and resources. The water collected from dew and fog is generally clean and safe for consumption, particularly in areas with low levels of air pollution. This makes it a valuable source of drinking water for both humans and animals. Furthermore, the collected water can be used for a variety of purposes, including irrigation, livestock watering, and even industrial processes. By harnessing the power of nature and our understanding of science, we can create innovative solutions to address global water challenges. Dew and fog collection are not just fascinating examples of natural processes, but also hold immense potential for creating a more sustainable and water-secure future. As we face the growing challenges of climate change and increasing water scarcity, it becomes even more crucial to explore and implement such alternative water sources.